Looking for a powerful motherboard that fits in a smaller case without sacrificing performance? The Gigabyte Mini motherboard supports 10th and 11th Gen Intel Core processors and offers features that make it a standout choice for compact PC builds. It's designed to handle demanding tasks while keeping your setup sleek and efficient. This board supports dual-channel DDR4 memory with 2 DIMM slots, plus Intel Optane memory compatibility for faster storage performance. It features a robust 10+ one-phase digital VRM with 90A smart power stages, ensuring stable power delivery even under heavy loads. Cooling isn't overlooked either, with a fins Array 2 design and multi-layered heatsinks, including an M.2 heatsink with 2 heat pipes to keep your components running cool. Networking is solid with blazing fast Intel 2.5 LAN enhanced by CFO's speed for optimized traffic management. On top of that, Intel Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax, with 2T2R and Bluetooth 5 support provides reliable wireless connectivity. The AMP-up audio with the ALC1220 codec delivers crisp sound with a 120 dB signal-to-noise ratio, perfect for immersive gaming or streaming. For visuals, HDMI 2.0 supports premium 4K resolution, while dual ultra-fast NVMe PCIe 4.0 0x4M 2 slots with thermal guards keep your SSDs performing at top speed without overheating. The RGB Fusion 2.0 lighting system offers customizable multi-zone addressable LEDs, letting you personalize your build with vibrant colors and effects. Smart Fan 6 technology brings multiple temperature sensors and hybrid fan headers that support fan stop and noise detection. This means your system stays cool and quiet, adapting to your workload seamlessly. Plus, the QFlash Plus feature lets you update the BIOS without needing a CPU, memory, or GPU installed, a handy option for hassle-free upgrades. Having built 6 or 7 systems with this motherboard, I can vouch for its reliability and versatility. It has all the essentials to create a powerful, compact PC without the bulk. While it doesn't have the absolute latest tech like PCIe 5.0 or DDR5 memory, it covers the needs of most users who want strong performance in a smaller footprint. If you're aiming for a balance between size, power, and price, this Gigabyte Mini motherboard is worth a look. It fits perfectly in small cases and supports solid specs that keep your build future-ready without breaking the bank. If that's you, consider this board as the foundation for your next PC. Ready to build a compact but capable machine? Check out the Gigabyte Mini motherboard today and experience how it combines performance, cooling, and connectivity in a small package. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup with confidence.